Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Find My on another Apple device or iCloud. Sign in with the same Apple ID. Once signed in, select Devices and tap the target device to reveal actions. Make sure to choose Lock or Mark as Lost. This initiates the remote lock sequence. You do this because it protects your data and displays a message for recovery. Once done, note the phone number and message you want shown. This prevents unauthorized access while offering contact info to a finder. Now, you set the lock details. Enter a secure passcode that you don't use elsewhere and type the recovery message with a reachable phone number. Once done, verify whether you want to enable location for tracking. Make sure to allow Find My to attempt locating the device even if it's offline. You do this because a proper message and code increase the chance of return and prevent thieves from resetting the device. Finally, confirm the lock. The command is queued and sent immediately if the device is online. Finish by checking the device card. It should show locked or marked as lost. If it's offline, be patient. Find My queues the lock and will apply it once the device reconnects. If the command doesn't arrive, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and try signing out and back in on your control device. Also check iCloud system status. One troubleshooting tip: if the device won't accept the lock, reset its network settings or notify your carrier to block service, which reduces misuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.